Welcome to the introduction of Barion Metrics. Before we log into the system itself, let's see how you can access it from your Barion wallet account. As you can see on the screen, I've already logged into my demo account and listed the shops which I have previously created. For each shop in the list, you can see a Barion Metrics button in the rightmost column, which you have to click when you would like to access Barion Metrics for that given shop. Once you have clicked the Barion Metrics button, you will find yourself within Barion Metrics and you will be shown the default dashboard, which is the home dashboard. Let's see those elements which you will find on each of the dashboards. Let's start with the header. On the top of the header, you will see a notification that shows you that this version is only the demo version of Barion Metrics. This notification will always appear whenever you don't have the Barion Full Pixel implemented, because this is a prerequisite to use Barion Metrics. In the next line of the header, you will find the Barion logo, and on the right side, a date picker, a language picker, and the sign out button. Let's start from the right. When you click on the sign out button, you not only sign out from Barion Metrics itself, but also from your Barion wallet account. This goes also for the language chooser or the language picker. If you change your language within Barion Metrics, it will also change on the Barion wallet account. Let's see the date picker. When you click the date picker, a new window will open where you can set your date range into different modes. One is the relative date range, which you can find on the right side. And here we have listed some predefined date ranges that are most common and mostly used in analytical systems like Barion Metrics. As the name show, these are always relative to your current date and time. So when you say you would like to see the last 6 hours, then the data you will see on the dashboard will be shown for the last 6 hours starting from the current time you are now in. On the right side, you can set any custom date range within the last 1 year, which is the maximum date you can analyze within Barion Metrics for now. To set a custom date, you have to first click in the start date column where a calendar opens and you can navigate through the last 12 months and you can choose your start date as you want. Once you have set this, you have to do the same in the end date field, where you can also choose your end date with the calendar function. Once you have done so, you have to click on the OK button and the dashboard refresh itself. We can not test this right now because, as you can see, we don't support changing date ranges in the demo version. Once you have set your preferred date range, you can start to explore the dashboard itself. On the left side, you will always find the name of your shop, the logo which you have updated within the Barion wallet, and the URL that leads to your shop. Beneath that, you can find a menu which lists all available dashboards, which are the home and the product performance dashboards for now, and the link which navigates you back into your wallet. Let's start with the home dashboard, which is the default dashboard of Barion Metrics. The home dashboard contains the most important data that shows you how your eShop is performing. Whenever you look at a dashboard at Barion Metrics, you will find 3 different types of cards or figures on the dashboard. One is the number card, which will show you a definite number and the change rate to the previous date range that you have set. So let's say we have currently set the last 7 days that we are analyzing. So the number you can see on this number card is from the last 7 days, and beneath that you see the change rate compared to the previous 7 days. The other kind of card which you will face in Barion Metrics are the chart type cards, which will always show you a donut chart, a line chart, or a bar chart on the other dashboard. And the third type of card is a table format, which will show you data organized in a table with the numbers in the right column. What is also common for each dashboard in Barion Metrics that you will find an information bubble for each of the cards that are presented on the dashboard, which gives you a deeper understanding what the given card is showing you. So let's see the elements on the home dashboard. The home dashboard starts with 4 number cards and 1 chart card. Let's see these. First, there is the total visitor count, which shows the number of visitors who accessed your site in that date range you have previously set. Similarly to that, you will find a customer count card, which shows the count of those customers who have purchased something in your eShop within the given date range you have previously set. The next one, similar to that, is the purchase count number that shows you all of the transactions or all of the different purchases the customers made in the previously set date range. Last but not least, you will also see the total revenue, which shows you the amount of money you were able to realize in the previously set date range. To the right of these cards, you will find a donut chart, which shows you the device types which are most common on your eShop. So in this demo account, you can see that a vast majority of the users are visiting the eShop from their mobile phones, which is 96% in this demo account. The second most popular device type is the desktop, and the third one is the tablet. We did not specify that further because we thought that this shows you deep enough understanding about the device distribution on your eShop. When you scroll down, you will find the line chart, which shows you the visitors and the sessions over the time frame you have previously set. This chart can be changed to show only one of them, so clicking on the visitors button will show you only the number of visitors for the days or the weeks you have previously set with the date picker, and that goes for the sessions also, but the default view of this chart is when we display both of the lines. And last but not least, you will find a table that contains the top keywords which your visitors were looking up within your internal search. Let's explore the next dashboard, the product performance. When you have opened the product performance dashboard, the first you will see is the sales funnel. The sales funnel chart shows you the different steps the visitors are making on your eShop, starting from visiting the site itself, resulting in a purchase, a successful purchase within your site. You can also see how much visitors you lost along the different steps we have predefined for you. So the first bar shows you the number of visitors who have visited your site in total. The next bar shows you the number of visitors who have visited the product. The third one shows you the count of visitors who have added something to their cart. The next one shows you the number of visitors who have started the checkout process. And the last bar shows you the number of visitors who have successfully purchased one or more product. Within this demo account, you can see that from 18,000 visitors, only 222 made a purchase at the end of the day. You can also see the percentage, which is obviously decreasing, as not every user is visiting a product and not every user is purchasing something on your site. But you can also see the percentage, how much of the total visitors the current step represents. So we can say that this chart is useful to detect those steps where you are losing too much customers. Next to this chart, you can see two number cards. The first one shows you the conversion rate for the given time frame you previously set, and the other one shows you the average basket size. Beneath these two number cards, you can see a donut chart again, which shows you the distribution of users for giving their consent for using their data to marketing purposes, and those one who have rejected that. When you scroll down a little bit further, the next line chart you can see is the purchase count for the time frame you have previously set with the date picker. So in that case, you can see on the screen, you can see the daily purchase count for the last 7 days we have previously set. Next to this line chart, you can see the distribution of different payment methods your users are using within the purchase or the checkout process. This bar chart lists all the available payment methods that the users can choose within your checkout process. When you scroll further down, you will find another 4 table cards. The first one shows you your most popular categories and lists the 10 most popular categories which the visitors have opened up in the last 7 days, which is set for this demo session. So we can see that in this demo account, the digital goods category was the most popular within this time frame. Next to this card, you can find the most popular products in that given time frame you have chosen previously. This also lists the 10 most popular products your visitors were looking up and were visiting in the given time frame. Beneath those carts, you can find everything related to your cart actions, meaning that card on the left shows you those products that were added to the cart the most. And similar to that, on the right, you can see those products which were the most ones to be removed from your cart within the date range you have previously set.